What's happening? What it do, my people? So, in old school mood today. So, there is reason for that. I've been needing to do this video all day, but I was preoccupied with other things. So, I didn't even get a chance to look at these because I wanted y'all to see these when I seen these. And these came out during like All-Star Weekend and stuff. So, these came DSL, man. It took about a week. I would have thought they came from China, man, but they came from Compton. They came from some store or something, Ruse Inc. But I got them off of eBay, but they come from Ruse. But let me get into it. They came packaged up like this. No, well, they come with a box, but not like a box, not double boxed. So get that out of the way. Ruse shoes. Montclair, California, but it did when I was tracking it, it was saying it was from Compton and stuff. And see what that is. Reebok AI. It's more AI stuff. Iverson. Share. See that information. The info right there. So why did I get these? I've been doing a lot of music reviews and stuff, like cologne and stuff here and there. My past few shoes and stuff, man, like I've been just Jordan out, Jordan. And recently, didn't really have anything I really wanted. I was like, man, if anybody asked me who is your favorite basketball player of all time, it's Allen Iverson. Easily, it's Allen Iverson. But I keep getting LeBrons and Jordans and stuff, Westbrooks. But I don't support my dog. I had to support my dog, man. And so I was looking into it, and I came across these and stuff, and I seen prices that I liked. So I got these basically like around 70 bucks, like $69. So got this nice box. Got a bunch of his highlights and stuff, a bunch of promo pics. So that's a nice touch right there. So what these are, I said these came out from All-Star Weekend. So this is Allen Iverson Legacy. So Allen Iverson does have a McDonald's All-American game, but it's not McDonald's, it's Allen Iverson game. So the kids were wearing this shoe. I don't know necessarily this colorway, but they were wearing this shoe. So this shoe has hit the court and stuff. Allen Iverson, he be rocking it sometime, where he was rocking around the time that it came out and stuff. Like he has a lifetime Reebok contract. So he said, I watch more sneaker panels and stuff for Complex, and he talks about like he loves Jordans and stuff, but Reebok is what pays the bill, so he forced to wear his shoes. So hey, but I had to show love, man. And so these right here, when I seen pictures of them, I was like, they kind of ugly. But then they had the white and black ones. The white and black ones, I was about to get those. And I was like, man, I have so much white and black in the collection. And then I was like, man, I'm not too crazy about these, but I was like, I'm going to get these, man. Just something different colorway and etc. And then my homeboy, me and my kicks, he did a shoe. It was a LeBron 3, but it was this colorway, and it looked very dope. And so this is the same exact colorway. And I'm like, oh well. So get into a few little specs about the shoe. Man, this shoe, it comprises of a lot of things, man. Like it has that question stuff right here. I think this right here comes from the AI 3. It's a mixture of a bunch of, I think, the bottom, all this area in the DMX technology and stuff. I think that all comes from the AI 4 or 5. The answer 4 or 5. I think the 4, because they just retroed the 5, and yeah, it's not those. So man, it's a bunch of AIs put together, and they had different versions of these. They had one with like a suede, but I would have liked that one, but I don't know if that was a special edition or something. I seen some of these with this color with suede, but not online or whatever, just pictures. But this is the one sold, and so this is kind of like a pleather upper right here. Like this right here is kind of like a pleather type thing. It's very shiny. It's not a real leather. Like this is look like some leather right there. It could be some synthetic leather probably, but it has that tumbled look on the white part. I like this because it's reminiscent of like the Jordan 13 and stuff. They got this that hides the lacing system, so you can close that up and stuff. So that's a good touch to it. Got that AI4 stuff on the midsole all the way around. Just that North Carolina blue. Towards here, got that translucent toe, like clear bottom, and that's that DMX technology. They got the hints of red right there. The DMX technology, so is like pressure sensitive, pressure based, like seesaw. Like you put pressure on here, and then the air rushes to the other side, and vice versa. So that's how the DMX technology is based. And I used to ball on niggas with these back in the days. Well, not these, but ones with DMX technology. But I had all the AIs. Like until he retired, I had all the AIs. So I kept up with them. I always had 2 pair of each. Some of them I had more than that, but most of them I had 2 pair of each. Start the school year and to end the school year. And times changed, man. I remember back when I played basketball and stuff like that. I had like that shoe. I played in the hood with that shoe. I played in practice with that shoe. I played in the gym with that shoe, and no wonder why I was slipping everywhere. Nowadays, you see everybody, man. You got your shoe you bring to the games and this and that and stuff. And me, I have so many shoes now. It's like I'm not even gonna hoop in these. Which one is hoop worthy and stuff? Like times changed because it was one shoe. I had like running shoes or whatever. I had like some Dadas or something. Y'all probably don't even familiar with that brand, but my mama just bought me some Dadas. Like I was hooping in those, like just because that was the shoes I had. I used to hoop in like K-Swiss or something. If that's all I had at the moment, I would hoop in some K-Swiss. Now I would never touch, like I would never even try to hoop in these. But anyways, you've heard enough of me ranting, man. On foot time. Know y'all probably want to see that. See how they look. I want to see how these feel. I'll give a report after I finish. That's it. I got y'all. So I got my little model on and walked around in these for a little bit. Showed you how they look on foot. They're pretty comfortable. Like I'm used to Allen Iversons. So just the way they hug your feet, I like that. They're a little heavy for today's standards. But if you're used to that from our generation, from the older, like 30 up, if we used to those heavy shoes like back in the days when they was built out of something, like how the old cars is made out of iron, we didn't have to worry about wrecking and shit. So this kind of like that. But I don't think I would want to hoop in these. But I like the way they look. I like that color scheme. I think they dope. What do y'all think about these? They came out a few months ago and stuff. They came out a while ago. beginning of the year. But I like them. What do y'all think? What else could I say? Shit. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated, man. Holla at your boy. Peace out.